Where am I going?
Sorry, buddy! Oh! Nice! Good save! Up the lookout. Got a whole bunch of new people with us. That's got a YZ250. Fire that baby up!
Here!
Put your balls back where they gotta go and let's do it! Oh, your lever took a hit.
I'm never gonna be able to start it.
Yeah, it's not bad. You'll get going. Do this! Watch how I do it. Oh, yes. Huh?
Isn't his a kickstart?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what he was saying. I'm not gonna be able to. I have to roll mine into the hill like this. Yeah, it's the burrito hill.
Oh, I'm like, do this. I thought he said there's no way I can get start up from here.
Well, I think it's more picky.
Oh, he can start that. He's a big old boy.
Oh, the riding, I'm like, fuck, like fast.
Yeah, because they're dumb kids. I told them when you hit the cattle guard, turn the choke off.
Yeah,
so he didn't. Oh, he's the funnest, that guy. Great. He tries to look. Yeah!
Yeah!
Yeah! Get him! safe. Yeah. You're in a shit spot though.
Soaked me.
I didn't mean to. I really didn't. I was like, I thought I was ahead of you.
Oh no. Hey.
I think that's his clutch.
Oh, it's brake tight. Brake tight.
Oh, good. What do you want me to do with it?
I don't know.
Let me see your goggles. There. Here, I'll get you. I'll help you. Okay, listen. Your butt doesn't go here. Your butt goes here.
Yeah.
That's going to help you tremendously because it makes it go. If you sit back here, it makes your front go all over the place. You got to sit here.
Okay.
So scoot up
Yeah.
when you go up a hill. Scoot up and then go up
I'm trying
down.
to get up there.
I'm
My
gonna
brain
go. I'm
knows
gonna
what-
back you up so you get a run at this hill here.
The bottom? I don't think so.
Yeah, we'll get you to fire off from just a bit down here where it's a bit leveler. So try and ride in the pocket of the seat right here. This is where you're gonna be now from now on. Right there. Don't go back like this because your front gets light and goes all over the place. Okay?
Yeah.
So you're gonna go. You're
Yeah.
gonna go right up there.
Okay. I got it. Oh shit. Okay.
Yeah, she still works.
What is happening? That's probably the way down draw. That's because it was dropping. Take a break if you have to. Huh? Take a break if you have to.
I know a little trick to starting these. I'll fire it up for you. I'll show you how I do it.
You want to be on it?
Get off. Get off there. So you go like this. Take your kick strap with your foot. Just gently go down until you feel a notch. There's the notch. Go all the way up. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Here we go, boys. That's okay.
On the hard ground there. Get them started on that hard ground there.
Yeah, maybe even kind of come over here if you can. Yeah. There. So if you feel, you'll feel a notch. Yeah, you're good. That seemed to help this thing. You'll feel it, just go gently. Yep. And then I always give it like I just tighten the cable. Yeah. Yep. Just a little slower on that clutch release. Yeah. It's a workout. Yeah, there we go. We're getting better. We are getting better, man. That little quarter turn. That much.
Holy. Whoa.
Here, I'll do the throttle part. You do that kick part. Here, my turn.
Shit.
My turn. It's okay. So I just put the leg there, see?
Yeah.
I put the weight of my leg on there. Just the weight of my leg. Okay, this time rev it up a bit more and just focus on.
I don't want to worry about him though.
Yeah, fuck, go right by. And just keep the RPM up and let this out really slow, really slow. More rev. Yeah. Yeah. He's going. Are you okay?
Oh yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
I might have to roll down and start on the flat, but that's fine.
Okay. He's okay. He said I'm okay. They went up there?
Yeah. How many more are there of you guys?
2. There was me. I think it was 4 in total. What are you guys up to? Well, did he just keep going?
No, he turned around. Where did?
He's got to go find him. That guy just started and he's like, he's one of those guys that try really hard. And he's like, yeah, never been on a bike.
No, yeah, he's not very good. Last time I rode with him was like 2 years ago. He's riding on a 230. He's not paying attention and he just wipes out, almost crashing into someone's house.
Oh, really?
Yeah. But yeah, he's like from the city.
We lost Curtis. Did he just keep
down and we can't find him?
Where's Clint?
He went up there.
He went there to go find Curtis.
I think he went
Well, that's the cell tower.
Yeah.
wiped out. That's where you want to sit, man. That's good. Oh, yeah! I'm trying to catch you guys coming up over the hill. Get going, he's gonna run into you. Yeah! Yeah, 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 yeah! Good! Look at him standing up! Very teachable. I like that. Yeah, that's it. Good.
Are you there, buddy?